see what these are? There's some in here. If you were to take these devices out, you want to turn the breakers off first. You don't want the teachers out hot. You put arc going on. Turn the breakers off over here first. Here's the schedule for the panel. This panel. And when you pull that out, you put these devices in, and you can turn the breaker back on. It bypasses. It goes straight from the light fixture to the breaker. So it bypasses the dimmer. In this case, it's a relay. These, you can see they kind of have them labeled here. These, if you took a screwdriver, get them, you can actually physically turn them on or off, force them on or off right here. And earlier when you were talking about the manual override, they're on off right now.
Well, these three dip switches that control these circuits will come on with the manual override.
Okay, but you see, so these three dip switches are 1, 2, 3. The rest of them are in the off-down position for your spare.
Right.
Over here, none of them are out for whatever reason. They don't have them on. So if you hit manual override, nothing's going to come on until you take the screwdriver and push each one of these on. Each one of those corresponds to the load of the module.
Now,
the same thing here, you have 12. There's 12 dip switches over here. This has 12. This is a 12 load dimmer, 12 load dimmer, relay, 8 loads, relay, 8 loads.
Yeah, this is just a straight relay, and this is the dimming part of it. So if you just have lights that you're going to just turn it on and off, that's this here.
Or the mercury vapor lights.
Can you does this pull out? This doesn't pull out.
Yeah.
And you use the same yellow bypass?
Correct. Actually,
I've done that.
On this one, it uses a different. Does not use this. This is just the two dimmers.
Just does dimmers.
will that only bypass one circuit at a time?
One circuit. So it's so you've got 3 switch legs.
Yeah.
3 switch legs, 3 switch legs, 3 switch legs. This is 1/4. This would be 3, 3, 3, 3.
Gotcha.
So you got 4 devices in there.
Okay.
That's for if you have to get.
So that's if there's a failure with the dimmer.
On the dimmers. If there's something wrong with these, you can force them on manually right here. Those are 20 amp relays.
These here are landscape lights that they have out in the courtyard that are on with the dip switches. Is that now, they on like that, so they just come on at dusk to dawn, and you can't control them from the other pad?
The dip switches have nothing to do with anything except when you hit this button on right here. When you hit this button in the on position, it forces whatever loads are up, on, and whatever loads are down, off. So beyond, that's all those dip switches do. The rest of it is done through a timed event. We should have it set up for sunrise and sunset, so it should be tracking sunrise and sunset, which I'm pretty sure it is.
It's not a photo cell.
It's not a photo cell. It's sunrise and sunset, and we have some software that allows us to do that. And that's one of the things when Rick and John come back out here with me, we want to make sure we have access to these off-site if we can, obviously, so we can do stuff like that. Say, hey, you guys want the lights to stay on until midnight, and we can change it easily. I mean, it takes seconds to do that if we have a connection to it.
So right now, no connection out there.
Well, I have a feeling you're right. That knocked it off. I mean, if it's not now, then when we come back on Wednesday or Tuesday, we'll get it back online. But that could be a reason why it was knocked off, because this is on a specific network. It's our own network.